nagsabi, post ng post kayo ng mga Bible verse sa Facebook ninyo, pero sa totoong buhay, napakasama naman ng ugali ninyo. Mga ganon. So, we are all Christians, di ba? And we know that we are not perfect. Pero, ito po, this is a reminder for everyone. Don't fall into the trap of someone taking away your confidence. Ay, maraming nagsasabi na mga influencers na wag na daw mag-post ng Bible verse, baka maano pa ako, mabash pa ako dito. No, that wouldn't stop you kasi ganun talaga. That's what the world is telling us, to stop sharing the gospel. Diba? That's a part of rejection na ganun po talaga. People outside, non-believers will tell you otherwise, but the Lord will tell you to share Him more. And hindi po mahalaga kung ano yung sinasabi ng ibang tao, yung sinasabi ng mundo, ang mahalaga po is kung ano ba yung sinasabi ng Lord sa atin. Amen.